MyVisaJobs Review, honest user experience on finding immigration jobs and visa opportunities. If you're dreaming of working in the United States, finding employers who sponsor visas can feel impossible. That's where MyVisaJobs comes in. It's a platform built specifically for foreign professionals. After exploring it thoroughly, here's my honest review. Most people get this wrong. They assume MyVisaJobs is just another job board. But the surprising truth is, it's a full research tool that tracks real visa sponsorship data from the US Department of Labor. I started by searching for companies with active H-1B or green card sponsorships. Instantly, I saw a list of employers complete with job titles, salaries, and approval records. It's not guesswork, it's actual data. The platform also lets you build a profile, upload a resume, and apply directly to sponsoring companies. For example, I found several tech and healthcare firms that had recently filed hundreds of H-1B petitions. One of the most useful features is the top visa employers list, which helps narrow your search by industry and location. It also shows which employers are most active in 2025, so you can target your applications strategically. The only downside is the interface. It feels a bit outdated and can be slow to load at times, but the quality of information easily makes up for it. In summary, MyVisaJobs is one of the most valuable tools for international job seekers. It's transparent, data-driven, and designed specifically for those chasing US visa opportunities. If working in America is your goal, the site gives you a real head start.